Hello, Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for lawnfawn. Today I'm using distress inks and some new dyes to create a bold and colorful Halloween card, so let's get started. First, I blend in my Halloween background using distress inks. I start by blending Twisted Citron ink towards the top of a panel of white cardstock. I start with a light hand and gradually build up more ink coverage. Next, I add peacock feathers distress ink on either side of the Twisted Citron. At the beginning, it looks pretty blotchy, but I keep blending the two colors together slowly until it starts to come together. Then I add black soot distress ink to the top and bottom and blend it into the peacock feathers ink. I use a light hand where the colors meet so that the blend is more seamless. I've sped up the video, but this took me about 10 minutes from start to finish. It's not a super speedy process, but if you're patient and take your time, the results can be really stunning. After I finish blending, I use my heat gun to dry the panel. Then I spritz it with shimmer spray. I also splatter metallic gold watercolor paint across the panel and then let it dry completely. While it's drying, I die cut lots of pieces from the Build a Cat die set. I use black licorice cardstock for the cat's body and face, apricot cardstock for the ears and nose, and gold mirror cardstock for the eyes. To assemble my cats, I add a little tape to the back of each cat face, making sure to cover the eye, nose, and ear openings. Then I carefully inlay the little die-cut pieces, adhering them to the tape. There are pieces in the die set that can be glued directly to the back of the cat to color the eyes, ears, and nose, but I really like the inlaid look. Next, I die cut the giant hocus pocus from black licorice and black sparkle cardstock and adhere them together with liquid glue. I arrange all the elements on my blended panel and then adhere them in layers with liquid glue and foam mounting tape. I adhere the cats first and then add my sentiment on top. I have a medium-haired black cat who has a furry chest, so I use the little bandana shape to die cut some extra fur for his body. Off camera, I add some accents with a white gel pen and a little Nouveau crystal glaze to their eyes for a little extra shine. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the lawnfawn channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!